So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob, mostly cutting off that color that she had. Very nice shape and texture, a little bit of a wave to it. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. Stylist chops the hair down. Quite a bit of hair that he cut off here into a gorgeous shoulder length bob style. Beautiful. So next up we have a color change. Wow, look at this pink and black bob style. Beautiful bangs added in the front, gorgeous. And then we have someone getting some layers put in their hair. This, of course, is a great way to shake up your strands without actually going too short. Very nice. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Ooh, looks like she's going very short for this one. Wow, absolutely stunning pixie haircut. She looks breathtaking, very nicely done. So here we have someone in for a cut refresh. I really like her hair color. Hopefully she keeps it. It looks like she went a tad bit darker and got a nice refresh on her pixie cut. Beautiful shape and texture. Very nice. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Stylist adds in some color. Volumized blowout. Gorgeous shoulder length cut. Very nice. So here we have a curly haircut transformation. So it looks like she wants a curly pixie style. Very nice. Beautiful. I love her texture. So pretty. This is also known as the tapered haircut trend. And you can rock this look out no matter what your curly texture is. If you have a kinkier hair texture, a looser curl, you would still be able to rock out a tapered cut. She looks absolutely phenomenal. So we have another curly hair transformation for the next one. Oh, it looks like you did a curly bob. Very nice. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.